Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove phone number on Temu. So guys, before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. So now with that said, once you are on Temu, in order for you to remove your phone number, just simply tap on you here on the middle down below. From here, guys, just simply go to settings at the top right corner of the screen beside the headphones icon. And from here, just simply go to account security at the top. And from here, you should be able to see the mobile phone number. So just simply tap on edit. And right away, guys, a verification code will be sent to you. And just simply provide it. As you can see, we have the code 799739. So guys, I want to tell you that as of today, you cannot completely remove your phone number from Temu, but you can replace your old phone number with a new one. And once you have entered a new phone number, a verification will be sent to you. And from there, just simply verify your new number and you'll be able to replace it with a new one and you'll be able to remove your phone number. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.